thinking about it all night. Baby, you should be up in my bed. Ooh, do you mind?
Hey guys, it's Lydia. Today I just created this pink look. Yeah, I thought it'd be fun, something different. So yeah, if you just want to see how I got this look, keep on watching. So my first step is applying this e.l.f. hydrating primer just to make sure that my skin is nice and hydrated and my foundation stays. And then I'm just going to take this Becca Aqua-luminous foundation and the Maybelline 24-hour wear foundation and mix them together to apply all over my face. It's Lydia editing, and I'm just realizing like how not my shade that foundation is, so sorry if that's like misleading. My bad. Now I'm gonna take this Real Techniques foundation brush, and I'm gonna use the rest of the foundation to blend on my neck because I also look like the peanut butter baby. Now I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution Full Coverage Concealer, and yeah, I had to get a brush to get it from the bottom because the applicator didn't reach. But yeah, I'm just going to put it under my eyes and on my chin and the bridge of my nose. Then taking this Coty Airspun powder, I'm just going to set underneath my eyes, kind of let that bake for a while, and then my chin and my nose area. So I'm just going to go in with the Tart Clay Play palette, and as you can see I'm going to use the middle shade, which is more cool tone, so really good for contouring with light skin like me. And then you're just gonna blend it in your cheekbones, and then I usually do my forehead and probably my neck as well. Then after you contour, you're gonna take your baking powder and just carve out your jawline, so it just makes your cheekbones look a lot sharper, and it's better to do this after your bronzer so that you can let that set in. And then take and dust away the bake underneath your eyes, and then I'm going to go in with this small brush and contour my nose. And going in with the Estee Lauder palette, again, going to use these two blushes. They're really nice peachy shades, I really like them. And then just smile and put it on your cheekbones. And then just take and dust away the powder that's on your cheekbones. And you can let it set for however long you want, but yeah. And then I just take this Urban Decay Naked 3 palette and go in with some of the neutral shades and just start blending into my crease and on my lid. And same thing with the Morphe palette, just going in with some of the neutral shades in the top that have some pink undertones. I'm just going in with my crease, kind of build up color. And then I'm going to go in with a darker pink shade to kind of intensify that and bring out a brighter pink color. Then I'm just going to go in with the brown shade in the Estee Lauder palette. That's just going to help to intensify the outer V of the eye. And then using the baking powder, I'm just going to set it underneath my eyes again to catch any of the fallout from the shimmers because you don't want to mess up your base. And then using the Carli Bybel palette, I'm just going to go in with the pink highlighter shade and just go ham on my face. And Then I'm just going to curl my lashes with this Revlon eyelash curler. And then use my L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Mascara. Literally the best mascara ever. For real. And I'm just going to coat my lashes. And yeah. And using the NYX Suede lip pencil, I'm just going to line my lips. And I'm going to go a little bit heavier on the outer corner just to add some definition and depth effect. Then I'm just going to fill in with the NYX Suede liquid lipstick. So this is the final look. I'm really happy with how it turned out. Something, you know, different. If you like this, give it a like so I know. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Do you mind? I'm just trying